Oh my.
Run.
And then run.
And then run.
Let me do it on my bad hand. There you go.
Ow! Welcome back to another video. You guys are gonna like today's video because it involves a whole bunch of stupid stuff, and it involves fireworks, and it might possibly involve jumping over fireworks because we were celebrating we were celebrating America for July 30th. So America.
Do the wick right there, Collin? At the end?
Yes. That's okay.
I'm gonna be like bad now. It's gonna be loud.
Well, let's just do that one first then. Here we go. Oh, the paper's on. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, I can't hear.
Are your legs okay? Did it hit you at all?
It did.
Right there.
JJ, you're gonna light the next one. I'm not lighting that one again.
It hit my leg.
Right here. Here we go. Light it and run.
Somebody drives by.
Whoa!
Ah, pretty. Ah. Oh dear. My ears need a break.
If they keep landing on that green tree, there's got two over there now.
Yeah, we don't want that thing. Is this the same one?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'll record
Collin,
the side.
Albert, Collin.
You gotta
Put
tell
it in
him
the
how.
same spot. And
No, wait, Jay.
stand it straight up and down.
And then run.
And then
Run.
And then run.
and then run.
Right
Not that far down, do we?
Yeah, that's fine right there.
Okay,
So
on the white spot. Yep, I guess so. Oh my gosh.
Look at it. That'd be good.
Cover the ears. Oh,
Oh, the one went out.
all right, here we go.
Wait. Let me do it on my bad hand. There we go.
Doing.
I thought we weren't doing any more of those. Put it straight up. Yes, because if it goes in somebody's yard. JJ, look away.
Don't look. Oh.
Did it hurt?
I mean, the ashes fell down on my hand. Other than that, it was just kind of fun.
And this is
Oh, that's kind of cool, though.
back that ass up.
Mom's yelling at us. We gotta go light it off in the street. She's yelling at us. She doesn't want to get in trouble. So we're gonna go light it all the way down over here. Here we go.
Here we go.
Yay.
Try
Nope.
to catch it?
We're going all the way over here. Oh, so we're gonna try and catch it now?
Yeah, well, guess we're going to try to catch it. Go long!
How far are we going? Alright, here we go.
More?
More? Is it near me? Yeah, okay.
Go.
Light, light. Catch it, JJ. Okay.
I got it.
I don't think you're catching that.
I got it.
No. He got it.
You all right?
I'm assuming
Yes.
so. That would have been a good one to jump over.
It would have been.
No, we won't. All right, so we're gonna jump.
I haven't learned yet.
We're gonna jump over even more fireworks.
Lighting?
Yes.
The paper's gonna light on fire. Here, I'll give you some light.
Very much appreciate.
Play with fire, kids.
Do not do this. We are experts.
Do not try this at home. We were trained professionals.
I am a pyromaniac expert. There we go.
Best. Peanut gallery.
There we go.
Okay,
Perfect.
any day now.
Hey, I'm trying.
A minute later. 2 hours later.
All right, here we go. Oh! Damn it. I don't want to do it. Oh! Oh my. Nope, not doing it.
Go, JJ, push. Ready, set.
Paint for my bunghole.
He was smart and he decided not to do it again.
What else we got? We got fountains over here.
Not that time. I jumped high enough that time.
The last time you just walked right over it almost.
Oh, okay.
You first. Oh! No, I did not.
So, we doing it all one time?
Oh, we could try. Oh, no. Not.
And this one.
This is an easy one to jump over now. I don't know.
Oh my god. Don't do this at home!
That was a good one to do.
Oh, I finally did it.
Nope. No. I don't want to get burned. I'm smart now.
You gotta do the splits.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, what happened to the
All right.
Point its butt towards us. What are you, crazy?
Oh, I am crazy. I'm the one jumping over fireworks.
Oh, I need to do it first.
Got a blast! To the stars.
And it's gonna poop.
Ew.
Oh, it's pooping.
Prepping for mortar.
Oh, I thought you were holding it at first. And it's gone. I'm tripping. I'm ready. Alright, so we're lighting 2 off
Possibly.
at the same time. There we go.
Oh, okay.
I think we could do 3 of them. Alright, so now we're trying to
In the
do...
middle. So, there we go.
We're doing 3 of them now. No, nope, we're not doing 3. Whoa! Ow.
See that one short.
Oh, go.
Oh my god.
That would have been a good one.
Aren't you so proud?
Oh! Nope, not doing it.
Yes!
Go, JJ, quick.
Ready, set!
Ah.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness.
I am so proud.
And this one.
Oh, this is an easy one. Those poor dice.
Hurry up! Ready, set, go!
I don't know.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Don't do this at home!
Oh, finally. There's just a longer fuse.
So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Be sure to drop a like on the channel, and definitely drop a like if you guys enjoyed seeing Collin get hurt and jumping over fireworks. And I did end up with one burn mark on my leg. Only one.